Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy the S&P 500 using Interactive Brokers. First, if you do not already have an account with Interactive Brokers, you will need to create one. Make sure to provide all necessary information and complete any identity verification processes. Once your account is set up and funded, you can move on to the next steps. To buy the S&P 500, you can invest in an exchange-traded fund, or ETF, that tracks the S&P 500 index. A popular choice is the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, which is often abbreviated as SPY. To find this ETF, log into your Interactive Brokers account and navigate to the trading platform. Use the search function to enter the ticker symbol SPY, which will take you to the ETF's trading page. After locating the SPY ETF, you can view detailed information about its price and performance. To place an order, decide how many shares you want to buy and at what price. You can choose between a market order, which buys at the current price, or a limit order, where you specify the maximum price you are willing to pay. Once you have made your decision, confirm your order details and submit the order. Once your order is executed, you will own shares of the S&P 500 through the SPY ETF. You can track your investment through your Interactive Brokers account. Keep an eye on your portfolio and consider your long-term investment strategy as market conditions change. Thank you for watching and happy investing.